Hello guys, welcome back to my channel, and today we will be doing some slime challenges like making slime backwards, doing the 60-second slime challenge and like stuff like that. It's going to be super fun. But before we get started, be sure to subscribe to this channel. I'm so happy we got to so many subscribers. We got like above 20. Like, thank you! And be sure to like this video if you like it, and give this video a big thumbs up. Or that's, never mind. That's also liking. I'm eating a fruit roll up, so. Anyways, comment down below how many squishies you want to see in my next video, which is going to be a squishy package. Like, it's going to be one. I'm not even kidding. But let's just get started with my bowl. And by the way, we are going to do making slime backwards first. So like, I'm gonna zoom in on the bowl because I don't think you want to see anything else. But yeah, let's just start. So you got my borax right here. I don't know how much borax I'm supposed to add, so I'm just gonna add like a few spoonfuls, I guess. By the way, my borax looks really foggy. I don't even know why, because I dropped slime in it. Yeah, I dropped slime. I think that's enough. I think should be enough of that. And then I'm going to add my color. Probably gonna add like this color. Yeah. What the heck? 1 second. Technical difficulty here. Okay, so I'm gonna get. Oh, it's not even gonna fit. Just get the outside of it. Oh my god. Okay, I'm just gonna use this mechanical pencil I have to just drop some color. I can't even tell what color this is. So it's not coming off. Well, anyways, don't ever play with food coloring, guys. Anyways, let's just get back to the dare. So next. Okay, I'm gonna add my foaming soap. Oh, God. And then my lotion. And I'm now gonna mix. I don't know if y'all can see like the chunks. Okay, now for the main part, the glue. Okay, so I have no idea how much I'm gonna add. I'm just gonna add this much for now. And so let's just mix it to see. Oh, it's actually turning into slime. Oh my god, this is so cool. Oh my god. Whoa, this is so cool. I'm gonna add a little more glue because I think I have a little too much glue, so I'm just gonna dump. That was a lot. Oh well. Okay, I'm sorry for the background noises. My parents are just watching something. Oh, the chunks of lotion. Ooh. I don't know if y'all can see the chunks. Ew, this looks disgusting. Okay, I'm just gonna start kneading it with my hands, I guess. Okay. Well, it's very, very liquidy. I don't know if it's supposed to look like this. Okay. actually turning out to be slime, guys. And I didn't add any borax. I just took some from the bowl. From the bowl. Oh my god. I think I'm gonna need a little more borax. Okay, so I'm just gonna pop it back in the bowl. I still have chunks of lotion in that bowl. Like, you can probably see it from the camera, but. And by the way, I have improved my swirling skills, so yeah. Or I had improved my swirling skills. Okay, I'm gonna just clean out the bowl, like, ugh. Ew, this is so watery. Oh, it's actually cleaning out the bowl really well. Real well. Real well. Oh, there's slime on my hands. So, here is the slime. And the bowl is pretty much cleaned out, I guess. Still a little dirty, but you know, who cares? Okay, so here's the slime. It's super, super stretchy. I'm surprised this dare actually makes the slime really glossy. I don't even know how to explain this, but this slime is actually really good. So comment down below also some names for this slime and how many squishies I should put in this squishy package. Ooh, it's so stretchy because of the lotion chunks. But yeah, let's move on to the next dare. Or challenge. Okay, so the next slime dare, and it's gonna be the last one, slime challenge, is the 60-second slime challenge. So yeah, I got my bowl, got my mom's phone. Hopefully I don't pour anything on it. And yeah, I'm just gonna open everything so I can get everything ready. I'm probably gonna do color at the very end because I'm not gonna have time, but I'm gonna open it just in case. Okay, the timer, oh, I'm gonna pour something, legit gonna pour something. The timer starts now. Oh my god, okay. Oh no, the glue's not coming out fast enough. Okay, oh, it's so much glue. Oh wait, what the heck? Well, it started at 1 minute 5 seconds. Where's the shaving cream? Is it this thing? It's not coming out. And lotion. Okay, mix. Okay, oh no, I'm not gonna have enough time, guys. I'm not gonna make it. I'm not gonna make it, guys. Okay, I got my borax. Oh my god, I am going to be that YouTuber that actually succeeds in this challenge. Well, actually, no, probably not. Okay, I just roasted a lot of other YouTubers. I'm sorry, but... Huh? 18 seconds! 18 seconds! It's not mixing fast enough. Well... Oh, God. No, I'm not gonna make it. 7... Okay, so here is the slime. Oh, here is the slime. Whoa, this actually feels very wet. Oh, God. So, I definitely succeeded in this challenge. Oh, wow. It's very watery. So, I'm just going to add some more boraxy. Borax. Oh my god. Oh my. Okay, so here's the slime. It's perfect. It doesn't stick to your hands. It doesn't leave any glue residues on your hands either. It's absolutely the best slime you can ever get on the market. Yeah, I'm just gonna sell this for $999. Yeah, it's just the best slime you've ever felt. And yeah, it cleans out the bowl really well. Yeah. Buy this slime, guys. It's very, very worth it. It's very worth it. So, I'm almost done mixing. And if you haven't checked out my slime collection video, oh, my arms are so tired. if you haven't checked out my slime collection vid, be sure to check that out, guys. Links will be in the description box down below. Wow, that sounded very British-like. Just gonna add a little more borax. I shouldn't have applied it to my hand because borax is very bad for you. You can get 3-degree burns. Yeah, almost done. And I'm done! Oh, it's not sticky anymore, at least. Not sticky anymore. Yeah, so I'm gonna clean out the bowl. So I'm almost done cleaning out the bowl. And like, this is actually a very, very good slime. Like, oh my god, look at my bowl. Look how messy it is. Just I'm gonna hide it. Well, it kind of cleaned out the bowl. So here is the slime. Here is the slime. It's so good. It's actually very unstretchy. So I'm probably gonna add some. Oh, I should move this phone. I'm gonna actually add some lotion to it, but I'm actually going to mix it with the other slime that I made before. So yeah, I'm just gonna mix it together. Tiny slime smoothie. Oh my god, the textures are so different. Oh my god, this is so pretty. Some ASMR for y'all. I'm gonna swirl because I need to show y'all that my swirling skills are very good. Told you. So yeah, that was the end of the video. I hope you enjoyed it, and be sure to check out my slime collection video and check out my next video, which is going to be a humongous squishy package, and y'all get to comment down below the amount of squishies that I have to buy. And like, don't go crazy like 10 million because I'm not gonna do that. But anyways, be sure to subscribe, like this video, and comment down below. Bye guys!